Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we have an absolute powerhouse in our studio, the Getac X600 rugged laptop. This beast is built for those who demand performance in the most extreme conditions. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the design of the Getac X600. It's not your average sleek laptop, it's a mobile fortress. With its thick protective bezels, rubberized bumpers, and built-in handle, this laptop means business. It's like the Batman of laptops, it's built to take on anything. And speaking of taking on anything, the durability of the X600 is unmatched. It's MIL STD 810H and MIL STD 461G certified, meaning it can handle extreme temperatures, humidity, vibration, and even high-altitude pressure. It's IP66 rated, so dust and water are no match for it. This laptop laughs in the face of gravity, surviving falls from 4 feet unscathed. It's practically indestructible. Now, let's talk about performance. The X600 is equipped with an Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA Quadro RTX 3000 GPU, 16GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. Despite its astronomical price, this laptop performs like a champ. Whether you're running multiple applications or editing high-resolution videos, the X600 can handle it all without breaking a sweat. And let's not forget about the display. With a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen boasting a peak brightness of 1232 nits, this display is perfect for outdoor use. Whether you're working in direct sunlight or harsh lighting conditions, the X600's display remains easily readable. Now, battery life is where the X600 truly shines. Even after soaking it, dropping it, and subjecting it to extreme conditions, the battery performance remains unaffected. With over 12 hours of continuous web surfing, this laptop is built to keep you going, no matter where your adventures take you. In conclusion, the Getac X600 is not your average laptop. It's a rugged workhorse designed for those who demand the best. With its unbeatable durability, impressive performance, and exceptional battery life, it's the perfect companion for professionals working in extreme environments. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.